Hello, my friend. Welcome back to English Practice today. In today's lesson, I'm going to share a full day in my life, from the moment I wake up in the morning until the moment I go to sleep at night. I will describe everything slowly and clearly so you can understand easily, learn new vocabulary, and practice listening in a natural and relaxing way. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and follow me through a simple and peaceful day. Before we start today's practice, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like this video and turn on the notifications. That way you'll never miss a new English lesson. Now, let's begin. My day begins early in the morning. Around 6:30, I slowly open my eyes and take a deep breath. I don't get up right away. I stay in bed for a moment, enjoying the quiet around me. I stretch my arms, stretch my legs, and let my body wake up gently. This small routine helps me start the day with calm and positive energy. After that, I sit up, place my feet on the floor, and stand up. The first thing I do is drink water. I walk to the kitchen, take a glass, and fill it with fresh water. Drinking water early in the morning helps me feel awake and refreshed. While I drink, I look outside the window. Sometimes I see the sunrise. Sometimes I see clouds. Sometimes the world is still dark and quiet, but this moment always feels peaceful to me. Next, I go to the bathroom to wash my face. The cold water helps me feel alive and ready for a new day. I brush my teeth and comb my hair. These small actions help me feel clean and comfortable. When I finish, I go back to my room, choose my clothes for the day, and get dressed. Around 7 o'clock, I prepare a light breakfast. I like simple food in the morning. Sometimes I eat toast with butter. Sometimes I choose fruit, like bananas or apples. Other times I make oatmeal. Of course, I also drink coffee or tea. While I eat, I think about my plans for the day. I don't rush. I enjoy this slow moment before all the activities begin. At 7:30, I sit at my desk and start my work. I turn on my computer and check my messages. I read my schedule, look at my tasks, and organize what I need to do first. My work usually involves reading, writing, and helping people learn English, which is something I truly enjoy. Teaching and learning languages always feel meaningful to me, because it creates connection between people from different places and cultures. I work for about 2 hours, and then I take a short break. I stand up, stretch my body again, and walk around my home for a few minutes. This break helps my mind relax so I can continue working with fresh energy. Sometimes I open a window to let in fresh air or a little sunlight. After my break, I return to my desk and continue working. During this part of the morning, I usually focus on creating content, writing lessons, or planning new ideas. I try to stay focused and avoid distractions. When I work with attention, I feel more peaceful and productive. Around noon, it's time for lunch. I stop what I'm doing, close my computer, and go to the kitchen. Lunch is simple too. I like rice, vegetables, chicken, or pasta. I try to eat something healthy that gives me energy for the afternoon. While I eat, I sometimes listen to soft music or watch something short on my phone. After lunch, I take a moment to rest. I sit quietly, breathe slowly, and let my body digest the food. At 1:30, I return to my desk and begin the second part of my workday. The afternoon is usually calmer. I answer messages, review notes, and sometimes talk with people who are learning English. I enjoy these conversations because each person brings their own story, their own dreams, and their own challenges. Helping someone grow in English always feels meaningful and rewarding. Around 3 o'clock, I take another small break. This break is one of my favorites because I like to go outside for a short walk. I put on my shoes and walk near my home. The fresh air helps me clear my mind. If the day is sunny, I feel warm and happy. If the day is cloudy, I enjoy the soft gray sky. If it's windy, I listen to the sound of the trees. And if it's raining, I stay inside and watch the raindrops on the window. No matter the weather, this moment helps me slow down and breathe deeply. When I return home, I drink more water and get ready for the last part of my work. This time is lighter. I review what I finished, organize any unfinished tasks, and make a plan for the next day. Planning helps me feel calm and prepared. I don't like ending the day with a busy mind, so creating a list for tomorrow helps me relax. Around 5 o'clock, I officially finish working. I turn off my computer and leave my desk. This moment is important because it separates my work time from my personal time. After work, I like to do simple activities. Sometimes I clean my home or water my plants. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I listen to music, and other times I watch a movie or a series. These activities help me enjoy the rest of the day slowly and calmly. Around 6:30, I prepare dinner. My dinners are usually light and comfortable. I might cook soup, make a salad with chicken, or prepare something with rice or vegetables. I try to eat something warm and easy. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. A clean space makes me feel more peaceful. When the evening becomes quiet, I enjoy some personal time. This is the moment of the day when I do something just for myself. If I feel creative, I write or draw. If I feel tired, I simply rest. If I want to learn something new, I watch videos or listen to podcasts. Sometimes I also practice gratitude. I think about 3 good things that happened during the day, even if the day was simple. This practice helps me stay positive and present. Around 8:30, I begin to prepare for the night. I dim the lights in my room, making the space softer and more relaxing. I put my phone away so I don't look at it too much. The quiet helps my mind slow down. I go to the bathroom again, wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for sleep. At 9 o'clock, I sit on my bed and take a few deep breaths. I try to let go of all the thoughts from the day. If something was difficult, I remind myself that tomorrow is a new opportunity. If something was beautiful, I smile and feel thankful. I believe closing the day with kindness is very important. Finally, I lie down, close my eyes, and let my breath slow down. The room is dark, soft, and peaceful. My body becomes heavy. My mind becomes quiet, and slowly I fall asleep. And that is the end of my simple, calm, and meaningful day. And before you go, I have a small question for you. What is your daily routine like? Do you wake up early or late? Do you study in the morning or at night? Write a short comment below describing your routine. Writing in English is a powerful way to improve your vocabulary, practice sentence structure, and make your learning stronger every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to English Practice Today, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.